Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G. Yes, Note 20 Ultra 5G. And before we go further, uh, please like and subscribe to my channel if you want uh, regular updates on living life or spiritualism, current affairs, or about careers. Please subscribe and show your support. Now, let's go back to Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G. Now, this phone comes with one of the state-of-the-art designs, features, technology, etc., camera, vagera, vagera, vagera. Leave everything. It costs 1 lakh rupees. Okay, 1 lakh rupees. Now, the question that you have to ask yourself is that do you need it? Do you need this phone? Not do you deserve it. Everybody deserves the best, but do you deserve it now, right? See, 5G is a technology which is yet to be spread across India. It's not available. It's yet to be available everywhere in India, right? And just to give you a perspective, the average internet speed in India is around between 10 to 12 MB, right? Mobile data speed I'm talking about. And for if you take South Korea, it's over 100 MB average speed. Okay, average. So you see the difference, right? So India is not yet ready, although they are launching a highly advanced mobile phone, because there is a lot of competition that is happening. There is MI, there is Oppo, then there is Samsung, and everybody. It's fierce competition, and they just have to, numbers keep playing. Five. Once upon a time, it was 5 megapixel, 10 megapixel. Now it has crossed 100, right? And now again they started 3G, 4G. Now it has come to 5G. I would say that we don't need a 5G phone right now, but if you have a lot of money, of course, please go ahead and spend, enjoy the phone. But if you don't, and if you are, planning, or if you're planning to take it through an EMI, or you know I'm sure, because 1 lakh is not a small money. Yeah, I mean, it's a lot of money. So be wise before investing in this fancy feature. Don't fall for these glossy ads and all of that. uh, Look at your life, look at your day, your usage. If you need it, only please go for it, or else don't even go for it. It's not you don't need it right now. I mean, at least that's what I would say. If I have a lot of money in my bank account, just ऐसे पड़ा है, it's just like that, तो not a problem. But थोड़ा सोच के देखेंगे तो ज़रूरत नहीं है. So it's a fantastic phone, but we don't need it right now. Thank you.